Today I'm going to walk you through how to clean or descale your Breville Espresso machine. So you're going to need a couple of products that I just showed you here, this Urinex Descale and the Cafiza E31 tablets. And so you first need to take out this interior filter. We're going to replace it and let it soak while we're working on the descaling process. So these are the ion exchange resin water filters, and they need to soak in water for 5 minutes and then be rinsed before you can put them back in. So we'll let that sit while we descale the machine. So once you have it filled up, the next thing you're going to do is measure out the Descale, and you need to get a scale. It'll be a lot more helpful to you if you have 3.5 ounces of the Descale for a half gallon of water. Once you have that measured out, you're going to pour it in the back tank. And then you're also going to get one of the little pellets from the Cafiza E31 tablets, and you're going to put it here and run the water through that one time. You'll run it through with it in and then with it out. So you'll put it in there, put the water in the tank that has the Descale in it. Then in order to begin the descale process, you need to press the 2-cup button, then press and hold the power button until the lights start blinking and the descale turns on. So once you've run the Cafiza tablet through, now have something to catch it, run the water through here, and then also through the other side here by turning the knob to the full back, and through the steamer. And once your water has been run through 2 times, you will have completed the descaling process. So I hope that's helpful to you to know how to clean your Breville espresso machine.